Hi there. Today we're going to talk about change because I get hired day in and day out to support people to make positive changes. And the recipe is actually pretty simple and straightforward and short in terms of how do we actually make change. If you're interested in the research, you can see the link from Harvard Business Review below, and you can read about what I'm about to tell you. But there are three very simple steps. One, we must have an insight. I call this self-critical objectivity, where you have an awareness of something that needs to change. It could be a behavior, it could be our emotional responses to things, it could be our thoughts. That's the first thing. It starts with awareness. The second one is take small steps, bite-sized chunks. Don't try to make one huge change all at once. Be incremental. You might even do what the article says and have humble goals. And the final one is probably one of the most important. Have some grit, persist, don't give up. It may take 6 months before the people around you notice that the change has occurred, even though maybe the change occurred in 30 days. But we have to have unflappable persistence and consistency if we really want to change. So in a nutshell, there's a recipe for when you want to make meaningful change.